All right, welcome back to the Lightning Step Couch. We are here in Denver, Colorado with Dr. Annie Peters. We're here at the NAATP Conference 2024. Dr. Annie Peters is the Director of Research and Education for NAATP. And this is a little bit of your baby here, isn't it? I mean, that's why we're here. We want to talk about FoRSE a little
Yes.
bit. Okay. Well, tell them folks who you are and what you're doing for NAATP and what the FoRSE program is all about.
Awesome. All right. Well, I'm Annie Peters, and I'm the Director of Research and Education, as you mentioned, at NAATP. And what we developed a couple of years ago is a research foundation. It's a nonprofit it's an arm of NAATP that essentially collects de-identified data from lots of different treatment centers, thanks to our technology partners like Lightning Step, who make this available to their customers. So essentially what a treatment center can do is sign up with us. We don't charge anything to be part of the program. And through Lightning Step, if you're a customer of Lightning Step, you easily will have all the forms available. And essentially what we're doing is collecting outcomes. So a little bit about each patient, about the treatment that is being provided, and then all the outcome measures. And so we can look at tracking of patients over time. We now have 103 treatment centers that are participating in the FoRSE program. And so what we can do then is we develop a national report once a year that shows treatment outcomes across all different kinds of treatment centers across the country. And we can start benchmarking, looking at, how does in each individual treatment program do with respect to other treatment centers. And that's something we haven't been able to do before, really, as an industry, to look at how we're doing relative to each other, and also demonstrating on a national scale the impact of treatment, telling the stories of recovery and data. And it's a really unique relationship that we have between NAATP, the treatment providers, and the tech partners like Lightning Step. We're really grateful to you because you have all of our forms in there. You're, I think, the only one of our partners that has every single form available to their customers. Makes it super easy to be part of FoRSE. It's a real low burden way to be part of a national initiative to really demonstrate what treatment does for each individual person. So,
Yeah, absolutely. No, that's a great summary of what you guys are doing, and I appreciate that. We at Lightning Step are incredibly privileged to be a part of this. I think outcomes are a huge way of one of the only ways to tell what's working and to inform other facilities on how to improve care and find better ways of helping these folks they're doing that. What made this come about? Why did you get behind this, or why did you create this?
it really was NAATP members, treatment providers saying, we need help with this. We need help demonstrating to our stakeholders, to our patients, that we do good treatment, to the families of people interested in treatment, to say that our treatment is impactful, to demonstrating to payers, to our accreditation bodies, licensing bodies, that what we're doing is really making an impact. And so that's really what, was treatment providers who made this happen, saying that this is something we need, and we need the connection directly from our medical record, because we don't want to just be sending Excel files somewhere, so we really need this API connection that we have developed. And without that, this really wouldn't be possible.
Absolutely. That is an amazing program. And again, I really appreciate what you guys are doing. We're thrilled to be a part of it. Um, Anything else you want to share with folks about this, or just talk about what's maybe coming next with NAATP?
Sure. So what's coming next with FoRSE? We just put out our national report for this year, 2024. You can download it from our website and take a look. You can see all the treatment centers that are part of this. You can see outcome data during treatment, post-treatment. What will happen after that is each individual treatment provider that's participating gets their own confidential report on their functioning and how they're doing with their outcomes. And next year, we're going to have even more. We're going to have a dashboard and some more specific types of reporting if
Yeah,
people want custom
a little more
reporting, something.
granular, and
Yep,
yeah, yeah,
exactly.
awesome.
So, and we're always growing. So,
Yeah, that's
really excited.
exciting. No, it is. I think that's really great to be able to provide, not only to contribute to an overall database, but you're able to give them back some reporting to the facility to see what they're doing. How do we sign up? Excuse me. How do we sign up for FoRSE?
Yeah, well, if you're a Lightning Step customer, you could just contact your Lightning Step representative and talk to them. You can email us. We have an email, outcomes@naatp.org. You can go to our website and find out about it. There's an interest form you can fill out. So yeah, email us, go online, talk to your Lightning Step rep, and we can get it going.
Awesome. I appreciate your time. As always, it's a
Great,
pleasure to
thanks.
speak with you. Thank you so much for everything that you're doing and putting together such a fun conference. Our team's actually having a blast, and so I'm
And I've
happy
had
to be
way
here.
too much candy, so I'm really excited. So thanks.
Thank you so much.
Take care.
Yep.